In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Microsoft account. This process is irreversible, so it's important to consider whether you truly wish to proceed with deleting your entire account. Please remember that closing your Microsoft account means you'll lose access to all associated services, including emails, files stored in OneDrive, and any subscriptions you might have. With that in mind, let's walk through each step carefully. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to account.microsoft.com. Once you've reached the website, you'll need to sign in with the credentials associated with the Microsoft account you intend to close. Enter your username and password, making sure you have the correct login details, as failing to log in could delay the process. After you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. You should see a section labeled Your Info. Click on it to access more options. This section contains various personal details about your account that you might find useful to review before proceeding, such as your contact information and subscription overview. Once you're ready to move on, look for an option called Manage Your Microsoft Account. Click on this link to take the next step in the process. Upon reaching the management settings, you're almost to the critical part of the process. Here, you'll want to find the option that allows you to close your account. Look for the link that says Close Your Account. Clicking on this will initiate a series of prompts designed to further verify your intention to permanently delete your account. Microsoft puts these in place to prevent accidental deletion, so it's important to read each one carefully. During this stage, you might be asked to verify your identity one last time. This is a security measure to ensure that only the rightful account holder or someone with access is making such impactful changes. Follow the prompts, which may include entering a code sent to your registered email or phone number to confirm your request. As you go through these prompts, Microsoft will remind you of the consequences of closing your account, such as the inability to retrieve any stored data or content across their services. Think about whether you need to back up any data or if there's something you need to keep a copy of before completing the process. This step acts as a final checkpoint to safeguard your information and give you one last chance to cancel if you change your mind. If you're absolutely certain you want to go through with closing your account, follow through with the prompts until you reach the final confirmation screen. This is the point where you'll click the final button to confirm that you want to permanently close your Microsoft account. And there you have it. You've now completed the process to close your Microsoft account. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so make sure it's really what you intend to do. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any further questions or need assistance with other tech-related tasks, feel free